Hey, it's Adam, welcome to another video, and today we're taking another look at the amazing MyProtein pancakes. In this video I'm going to show you 3 ways that I like to make protein pancakes, 2 of which are brilliant sweet craving kickers, and the other one is very filling and is a good source of healthy fats and carbs. So without any further delay, let's get right into it. To make the pancakes you are going to need MyProtein pancake mix, a protein shaker or jug. I just use the shaker because it's easier. You're then going to need some milk, almond milk or regular milk, and you can even use water if you want to. And I use the unflavoured protein pancake mix, and I add the MyProtein flavour drops. This is just how I like to do it, as I have more control over the flavour. So you're going to want to put about 100 to 150 millilitres of milk into the shaker, depending on how thick you want the mixture to be. Then add your 2 scoops of the pancake mix. Then lastly, add your 15 to 20 drops of vanilla flavouring, depending on your personal preference. Once you've done that, then put the lid on. I like to give it a few swirls first to make sure the mix doesn't stick to the lid, and then shake it up. And your pancake mix is ready. First up, we're making cinnamon apple protein pancakes. To make these, all you'll need is an apple and some ground sweet cinnamon. Firstly, you're going to want to peel your apple and chop your apple into small, fairly evenly sized pieces. When you've done that, add the pieces to a saucepan of about 1.5 cups of boiling water. I had too much in mine, but you get the idea. You're then going to want to let the apples soften up, stirring occasionally. Then once the water has reduced down, you can lower the heat to low setting, and then add your teaspoon of cinnamon. You can also add other spices if you want to, such as ginger or nutmeg, just to give it some extra flavour. Or if your requirements allow for it, you could actually cook your apples with butter or sugar. I'm not doing that because I'm saving some calories doing it this way. Then you're going to want to make your pancakes. So add your pancake mix to a preheated pan with some oil. Then you're going to want to let them sit for about 15-20 seconds on each side. My first one is taking a bit longer because I actually didn't let the pan heat up. And then once that's ready, you can flip it over. A way to tell if your pancake is ready on one side is if it starts bubbling. Then you can flip it over and let it cook on the other side. Once you've done that, you can take it off and plate it up, and then repeat that process for the rest of your pancakes. And then to make these pancakes, you're going to want to stack up your pancakes as I've shown here, and then add your cinnamon apple mixture. And then if you want to, and if you can allow for it, you can add some clear honey or even some MyProtein apple and cinnamon sugar-free syrup if you want an extra apple and cinnamon kick. And then there you have it, some apple and cinnamon protein pancakes. Then next up, we are making some peanut butter and banana pancakes. All you're going to need is a banana and some peanut butter. You're then going to want to chop up the banana into fairly even slices, and then cook the pancakes as you did with the first batch, and then plate it up, taking some peanut butter, about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon depending on what you can allow, and then spread it across your pancake. Add 4 to 5 slices of banana, and then repeat the process until you have a nice stack of peanut butter and banana pancakes. And then of course, once you're done, you can add some honey again if you would like to. And there you have it, some peanut butter and banana pancakes, which are very filling and very tasty. And then last but not least, we are making some super simple summer fruit pancakes. I'm using just a bag of frozen fruit, but you can use fresh. And then you're going to make your pancakes as you've done before. Take your fruit and start plating up. The way I'm doing it is 1 pancake and then some fruit, and then repeating the process. You can mash up the fruit and spread it, or you could just do it a stack and then all the fruit on top, whichever way you like. These are great because they're naturally very sweet, but if you do want an extra kick again, you can add more syrup as well. And there you have it, some summer fruit protein pancakes. So there you have it, 3 easy and tasty ways that you can make protein pancakes that I use pretty much every week. If you want to see more protein videos like this one, then please like the video or leave a comment and suggestions down below. Thanks for watching.